So welcome everyone. This is the second session of our experiment that we are doing for Raja Yoga meditation and psychoneurologics. So we have got some, this is what we have discussed earlier, that this is the under the PhD program of psychoneurologics and Raja Yoga meditation study. I'm doing it from Yoga Samstakam University, USA. This is quick about me. We discussed about last time as well. And this is the complete experiment. And we talked in length, in detail in the last session. So in this, I am only going to talk about the results that we have got. So this is the, today we are sitting on 5th of August, Wednesday, got the snippet from Times of India. And so this was the shape of the samples on 3rd of August. So this was sample A and this is sample B. So you see we have done the positive healing for sample A. And if you see as on today, it has gone complete dark and complete ripe. So like we have seen in the other cases as well, whenever plants get to have this soothing music or positive feelings, they ripe fast. And that's what have happened. We have seen it here. And similarly, not much of a change here. These are the radish put in a glass of water. We are still on 5th of August. It is more or less same, nothing much change here. Again, potato, I think it is still taking time and we are still working on to it. I think it will take another 3-4 more days to see some visible results. We haven't got anything on this sample 4. Once we have it, we're going to update that. Okay, and this is the another wherein we have used cowpea. As on today, the information that we have is the size of the cowpea has increased in sample A as compared to sample B. But still, that in order to get that captured in the camera, it will still take some time. Okay, this is the flower. So 5th of August, from the direct look, it has been told that the sample B, which is this, the flower has gone dull. That's the last update that we have received. I think in the next 3-4 days, the changes will be more noticeable. This is another sample 7, which we did not include in the earlier session, but now we have received it. So these are the results for sample 7 as well. So I think we kept this meeting just to review the updates so that we, document it on day basis as we receive for future updates. We will keep on updating that. Thank you so much. Om Shanti.